Only on CBS 46 News, the cost of living is going up and every dollar counts.
But a CBS 46 investigation uncovered there's needless waste in all of our homes. Kim Fettig tells us what the electric companies aren't talking about. It's a story you'll only see on CBS 46.
With a toddler and another on the way, the Marks are a high-energy family, literally.
I have an electric lawnmower, so I've been kicking that on as well, which is also going to draw some power. And the dryer.
Potty training. The dryer is running every day.
The family agreed to let CBS 46 install a device near their breaker panel that promises to cut electric bills by up to 25%.
There we go.
Be interesting to see, if we can really reduce our power by not having to change our lifestyle too drastically.
The motor-based appliances in all of our homes pull in more kilowatts than we use. The leftover flows out, wasted. The PowerSave 1200 stores the wasted power you've already paid for future use.
This is the first one I've ever seen, first one I've ever put in a residential home.
The U.S. Department of Energy endorses the technology, but not a single power company in the Southeast is willing to talk about the products.
The 729 kilowatt hours.
Several months later, the Marks have results.
The real beta was testing it from year to current month, and that was a big difference.
One of the biggest motor devices is the air conditioner, so the biggest savings may not be until the summer.
I'm looking forward to cranking it up, so we'll see what happens.
Kim Fettig, CBS 46 Investigate.